Hey guys, we are going to be doing something different today on this my page, okay? So there's this particular perfume that everybody has been hyping, talking about, saying, oh, the fragrance is top notch. And I'm like, okay, why not buy it so that I can give you an honest review? As you can see, I'm not going to drop any link so that you can click and go and buy. No, I'm not doing that. It's not for marketing purposes. I am here to give my honest review, okay? I bought this so as to save your ass. That is if it's not nice, okay? So without further ado, let's dive straight in. So guys, seriously, I just bought this. As you can see, I've not even opened it. It is sealed. I've not touched it. Yes. So I just want to like show you my first impression here on this video. All right, unadulterated impression. So if I don't like it, I tell you how I feel about it. All right, then if you go ahead and say, okay, you want to spend your money on it, then left for you, okay? Because I've been seeing people talking about it or this and that, and I'm like, what? So is this actually this good? And out of curiosity, one day I say make I buy them. So let's unbox it together and see what it's like. Okay? So as you can see, I'm trying to do the unboxing. Forget my fire alarm. A big smoke detector. It's always doing pium pium. You can see, right? It's like straight out of the box. Never used it before. Okay, see how it is. So this is what you expect to see. What's the name again? Fakhar Lattafa. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry, but I'm going to write it on this video so that so that you know. Okay, so you know, yeah. Fakhar Lattafa. This. How do I do it? Oh, yeah. So we are going to be talking about this perfume today. I'm going to be telling you my honest review, my honest opinion on this. If I like the fragrance or I do not like the fragrance. So guys, so I'm going to be spraying it here, okay? Let me puff out the first. Oh. All right, let me wait a little longer. You know what? You know what? I don't even have anything to say for now. You know what? Just keep me like 20 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, I'm back. So let's give it the last try, okay? So now here is my review. Okay, come closer, come closer. Here's my review. If you are not a lover of perfumes, like anything goes for you, okay, you can go try it out. It's not really that bad, but personally, it's not something I can probably use. I've actually bought it, yeah. Am I gonna like finish it? It's gonna like take like 17 years for me to finish this bottle because I can rarely wear it actually. I will rarely wear it. So it's gonna take like 17 years or more for me to finish this bottle because I am not a lover. Alright. What does it smell like? You know when you have a very good shower gel, yeah. When you have a very good like shower gel that smells nice, that is exactly what it smells like. In fact, it smells like one of my shower gels. Cause guys, I am a lover of perfumes. I've used Georgia. It's not that I use Georgia Armani and Carolina Herrera, both very good girl and good girl. Okay, like this. I use this. My Georgia Armani is about to finish. It's, you can see I have just little left. It's finished, like finished. So you see, like, and I use it like, I use this like, is my go-to. After this comes this. This is a very good girl, and this is my good girl. So I still have here more, but this one I use it like almost all the time. These are more bougie for me. Uh, yeah, like I use, but this, oh my goodness, I use it all the time. So for somebody who is a lover of perfumes and getting to smell this, guys, it's not worth the hype. Really, it's really not worth the hype. I know considering the money, you can actually get perfumes that like perfumes that has better fragrance. Like, yeah, yeah, it's not worth the hype. Really, it's really not worth the hype. It's not. Yeah, it's cheap. Yes, it's cheap. So, but why are you telling people that it smells fantastic? Why are you telling people that it smells like heaven when it actually smells like soap? It actually smells like soap. I know that some of you who are into marketing will not like this review, but I'm just being very honest. So if you're planning to buy it, know exactly what you are delving into. Because personally, I'm telling you, it smells like a very good soap, like bathing soap. Okay, shower gel. Exactly. So, ciao.